Picture this, a dusky langur, swinging above Penang's traffic, gliding on a bridge made from old fire hoses. Could something so basic actually reshape how cities protect wildlife?
Today's date is May 19th, 2025. Let's dive in. In Penang, Malaysia, roads earned a grim nickname, the meat grinder, for dusky langurs and other animals. Highways split their forest home, forcing a choice: brave the crossing or stay stuck in isolated patches. Why do roads have such a strong effect on animal movement?
It comes down to fragmentation. When roads cut through forests, animals like langurs lose safe routes between habitats. Populations get split, their genes don't mix, and often they're struck by cars. In Penang, every attempt to cross was a real risk for these endangered primates.
So what did conservationists do? How did they manage to tackle this?
A local group, the Langur Project Penang, built a bridge, but not the kind you might picture. This one's a canopy bridge, strung from recycled fire hoses, hanging above the road. It's low cost, simple, and keeps langurs well away from the traffic below.
Did it actually make a difference? I mean, did the langurs start using it right away?
They did, and surprisingly fast. Within just a week after it went up in 2019, langurs began crossing. Since then, over 7,000 crossings have been logged. No mammal deaths on that stretch of road since. In conservation terms, that's significant.
That's quite a shift. Has this led to more bridges or similar projects?
Yes, it has. The initiative called Bridge to Coexist is expanding. 3 more bridges are planned by 2026. The newest one, Numi's Crossing, opened in 2024. And the idea goes beyond langurs. There's talk of viaducts for elephants and tapirs elsewhere in Malaysia.
Is this approach catching on? Not just in Malaysia, but internationally? Are other species benefiting too?
It is. The model's being adapted both within Malaysia and abroad. These bridges are affordable, use local materials, and can help many species if designed for their needs. There's growing global interest in wildlife corridors to lower roadkill and help biodiversity recover.
Sounds like local communities play a role here. Does that really make a difference in how successful these projects are?
It does. Locals are both guardians and beneficiaries. When they help design, build, and spread the word, it builds a sense of ownership. In Penang, those viral videos of langurs on the bridge have raised awareness and even pride among residents.
Any long-term results yet? Like, are animal populations actually recovering, or is it too soon to tell?
The immediate effects are clear. No mammal road deaths and high bridge use. For full population recovery, more time and data are needed. But the early signs are promising, and it's a strong argument for monitoring and scaling up.
So, in summary, recycled fire hoses became bridges, animal deaths dropped, new projects started, and communities got involved. The idea's spreading, showing cities a way to balance development with conservation. Why isn't this more common yet?
Maybe it will be soon. If Malaysia can make this work with modest resources, what's holding others back? That's something for every city to consider.
And that's where we'll wrap up. From Penang's canopy bridges to a possible global roadmap for coexistence, the takeaway is simple: practical, low-cost fixes can have real impact.
Thanks for tuning in. This episode was brought to you by mynews.studio. Give it a try for free.